So Motorola announced their new foldable Razr phone today, and it's this new form factor that we have not seen up and until today. So till today, we have seen something that is the size of a regular phone fold out into a tablet-sized screen, but this is something like the original Razr phone and follows the same design cues, where it's half the size of a regular phone, and when it folds out, it gives a display of 6.2 inches. That's the size of a regular phone. So design wise, I think this is more practical than a tablet size, because the bigger the device, the more flexible and more vulnerable to damage it is, especially with that foldable hinge. So I think this is more practical and I like this design better. So design wise, we've also got a huge chin on the bottom, which will now house the fingerprint scanner, the Type-C port, and the bottom firing speaker. Now specs wise, this won't overwhelm you or anything, because Motorola is only charging $14.99 for this device, and I know that doesn't feel like a lot less compared to the foldable Galaxy phone, but I think there had to be some corners cut to bring this type of technology at this specific price point. So the specifications are like we have the Snapdragon 710 processor instead of our flagship 855 or 855 plus, and then we have 6 gigs of RAM paired with 128 gigs of storage. And camera wise, we have a single camera which is a 16 megapixel f1.7, and you're going to be using this for both your front and back pictures as well, including the selfies. So that's what it's going to be for this. So we're not getting any fancy triple or four camera setup on this device. And we also have a small display when the phone is folded, kind of like the Galaxy Fold. And this is not actually a fully interactive touchscreen like the Galaxy Fold. It's limited in functionality, like you can reply to text or take a quick glance at notifications, or use it as a viewfinder when taking selfies. But using it as a regular phone, you cannot use that on this screen. But I think it's a pretty cool implementation and reminds very much of that old school design of the Razr phone. So what has Motorola accomplished here? So I think I like this phone a lot, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it, because this is a first generation product, and it's obviously gonna be overpriced for what you're getting here, because a lot of R&D has gone into it. So I don't think this is the right time to buy it. I'd like to own one, but at this point I wouldn't want to buy it for $14.99, especially for a phone that comes with Snapdragon 710. But I think what you have to see here is the cutting edge technology that we're getting, the foldable screen tech. But I'd wait out till the foldable screens get perfected, because at this point they're too flexible and get damaged easily. So even though this is a lot smaller device than Galaxy Fold, I think this screen will have the same vulnerabilities. So I think when we overcome those vulnerabilities of foldable screens, we are ready for foldable screen technology. So that's my personal opinion. But yeah, we shouldn't nitpick on this like MKBHD has told in his video, because this is a first generation product, and they are doing it. They're taking a big risk, and we should be happy as the tech fans to have this kind of technology with us right now, instead of nitpicking. So we'll nitpick for the second device, just like MKBHD is gonna do. So that's been our video about the Motorola Razr. Leave a like if you like the video, consider subscribing to the channel for more cool stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.